In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get rid of the Pinterest quick save. So let's just get straight into it. So this has been a problem for some users on Pinterest when they tap on a pin, let's say for this one example, and then tap on the save button, it saves it to a quick save board. Now you can archive the quick save board, but that doesn't work all the time. So the best option to be able to put a pin in the correct board that you want it to be in is simply select the board. So let me select this board right here as an example. All you need to do is long press on the board and you want to select that one that looks like a pin. So that's the save button, hit that, and then you'll be able to save the pin to the correct board. Or you can create a board or just save it to your current boards. I only have one, that's why only one is showing up, but that is a way to disable the Pinterest quick save. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.